Hi, I'm Kimberly Turner. And yes, I live in Niagara. I was born and raised in Niagara, and I live here now. People all over the world ask me what I think of Niagara, and frankly, that is a very loaded question. And I'm going to start from the top of my Niagaran history that I know. When I think about Niagara, I think of the steadfast strength of the farmer. Like my grandparents who immigrated here generations ago and started a farm in Vineland and then moved to Niagara-on-the-Lake. A farmer knows that preserving the land and the surroundings is absolutely paramount to the prosperity of the future, and I'm their proof. They know the uniqueness of the land, and they cultivate the miracle of growth, like they taught me to do. They weather uncontrollable seasons with resilience, and the farmer, they keep on going. When I think about Niagara, I think about the vintner, striving for excellence, using the resources Niagara provides to produce global recognition in a glass. How the climate and the commitment and the craftsmanship cultivate the character of Niagara. When I think about Niagara, I think about the entrepreneur, me, dedicated to purpose, who sees what could be and hustles to make it a reality. I think about the tenacity it takes to keep the dream alive and the people it impacts. When I think about Niagara, I think about the host who's ready for any occasion. Their love for their home and making all feel welcomed, wishing to bless visitors with warmth and luxury. My mom taught me that. When I think about Niagara, I think about the retiree, like my mom, who in their golden years chose Niagara as the setting to play, to connect, and to love where they live. When I think about Niagara, I think about the scholar and the infinite directions they can take, their devotion to sharpening their mind, the teachers who inspire them and guide them, the hope they have for a brighter future. When I think of Niagara, I think about the artist whose work allows us to see one another more clearly. Where a painting can soothe and a song can resonate and a poem can transform and a story can unify. When I think about Niagara, I think about the kid, like myself, who has everything they need in their own backyard, who feels safe, who has a community, who has the setting for a good and happy life, and may not even know it. When I think about Niagara, I think about the neighbor, my neighbors, whose contributions make up a colorful and vibrant place to live, unified by the land and enriched by each other. So, if you're asking me what I think about Niagara, that's it in a nutshell.